Secrets to growing large zucchinis. Expert tips. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to grow large zucchinis. Whether you're growing in containers or you're growing in the garden, these tips will help you get much better results. So let's go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Growing large zucchinis can be quite rewarding. Here are some tips to help you achieve a bountiful harvest. 1. Start with a healthy soil. Ensure your soil is rich in organic matter. Adding compost and worm castings can provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. 2. Plant in full sun. Zucchinis thrive in full sun. Make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. 3. Water consistently. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Deep watering is better than frequent shallow watering. 4. Space them out. Give each plant enough space to grow. Crowded plants can lead to poor air circulation and increase disease risk. 5. Use mulch. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the soil temperature stable. If you don't have mulch, you can use grass clippings and leaves to mulch the bottom of the plant. 6. Prune regularly. Remove any dead or diseased leaves to encourage healthy growth and better air circulation. 7. Pollination. Encourage pollinators like bees by planting flowers nearby. You can also hand pollinate if necessary. 8. Harvest frequently. Picking zucchinis regularly encourages the plant to produce more. Harvest them when they are about 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor and texture. If you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Another important tip to consider for the health of your plant is watch out for bugs. If you have bugs like these on your plants, you want to make sure that you take care of them as soon as possible. If not, they're gonna eat all the leaves and destroy your plants. So you can spray your leaves. If you have bugs, you can spray your leaf with pesticides like a neem oil, and make sure that you spray both the top and the bottom of the leaves to eliminate any eggs and any excess pests that you have on your leaves. So if you don't do that, it would no matter how much you try, they're gonna eat all the leaves. So watch out for that. So we're gonna go into harvesting the rest of the other one that we had over here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I harvest it. Very easy. Use your you can use a clipper, a knife, or any tool that you have to cut separate it from the stem like that, and just cut it straight, and then you have your zucchini ready to go. So I let this one go a little bit. It went a lot bigger, so but you can harvest it while it's still smaller, like maybe 6 to 8 inches, but this is okay. We're gonna be able to still use that. You can see now it's good. It's gonna help it to get the get production increase. Once this one is out, the other ones are gonna start coming out soon. We're gonna get more flowers, and you're gonna start producing more buds for them to grow. So let me know in the comments below if you grow zucchini, and if you've grown the size of the zucchini in your garden. Let me know below. Also, let me know what you use zucchini for. I know there are so many different ways you can use zucchini. Let me know in the comments below your best way to use zucchinis. Are you using it on pastas, sauce, and other stuff? Let me know in the comments below. So it's also important to make sure that I let you also know I usually add some compost, and I also water my plants like regularly, like every 2 to 3 weeks with compost tea. Compost tea provides a lot of nutrients and a lot of beneficial nutrients for the plants. I spray the leaves and also drench the roots of the zucchini plant with it. So if you want to see how compost tea is made, check out my video on YouTube, 7 Savings Garden, and you'll see how I make zucchinis, how I make compost tea for my zucchinis and other vegetables that I grow. It's very, very beneficial, and it's cheaper than buying other fertilizers in the store. All you need for compost tea is good compost and aerator. So you can see these are some eggs for some pests that we have underneath the leaf. That's why I say make sure you spray when you spraying the leaves. Make sure you spray the top and the bottom, and that would help eliminate some of the eggs and any other pests that are underneath the leaves. So that is it. We've done it. So right now I'm just cleaning up, just making sure that any dead leaves are taken out and give some a little bit of air for the plants to get in some fresh air so that it doesn't have any issues, and that would help it do well. So I also use the leaves just to just put it underneath. It helps mulches the bottom of the leaves around the bed and maintains the moisture in the soil. So you can see there's one over there that's already coming out. So it's gonna help at least give it some fresh air circulation, and it's gonna thrive. And now hopefully within 2 weeks we should be able to harvest that also. So that is it. That is it for the zucchinis. That's how you grow zucchinis either in the garden or in containers. It's the same thing. Just make sure that you follow the steps that I just provided, and you'll be able to get some zucchinis in your garden in no time. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. And also share the video. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. And thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.